What's going on, guys? Today I've got the ZTE MF286R and we're going to do a quick sort of unboxing on this. So this is the new ZTE product here. It's a 4G router, Cat6, all the stuff you want in your 4G home router. Now, you guys might not be fully aware, but we're obviously pretty close with the whole home broadband, mobile broadband networking side of things, and you probably are, if you're in the market for a B535, probably been looking around for a B535 for a while and not been able to find a good priced one. So we obviously have always had ours at $99.99, and that's been probably the lowest price you've been able to find in the UK market. But recently you've seen those prices skyrocket, basically $140, $150 just for a B535, and that's basically because there is just like no stock at all of the B535s anywhere. You'll even see on our website that we are out of stock of the B535. So we decided we'd do a video on what we feel is the best alternative to the B535, and it happens to be this ZTE device. Now, straight off the bat, I will say some of the more detail type things, such as the box design and the device design, I don't think they do as sleek a job as what Huawei do, but I do think the overall device, if you're not too worried about aesthetics, is basically the same device in there. So this is a little bit more expensive than what we had the B535 at previously, but this is the closest thing we can find. It's about £108.99 currently on our store, and that obviously comes with a free Smarty SIM. And I just want to preface this by saying, if you want to buy this product or you want to purchase it, please click the link in the description below. You'll be taken to either our store, eFones.com store, our Amazon store, or we do also have this on eBay now. So if you want to purchase this, please hit that link in the description below and go ahead and purchase one of these. We do ship worldwide, but it is free shipping within the UK, assuming you spend over £50, which if you're purchasing this device, you obviously will. So yeah, £108.99, guys, check that out if you want to purchase it. But yeah, this is the actual device here. The box itself is pretty basic, pretty bland. It's what you expect. Now, I will, again, start this off by saying, if you see this little mark here, sort of a sticker, on a lot of these ZTE boxes, and this ZTE MF286R is a prime example, there was a little bit of a misprint. So there is sort of a mark up there, and it does underneath that, if you're wondering, say Cat4. I will confirm that this is actually a Cat6 device. So if you're worried about that, or you have any questions about it, just contact us if you bought one. Just ask us to confirm it, and we'll get your eye in the eye off it and just confirm with you that that is a Cat6 device. So you don't have to worry about that. And I was saying, confirm it on the inside as well. That's just a little misprint on the outside of the box. So that's what that is there. I was pretty confident we're going to get someone question about it, so I thought I'll tell you now before we start. So yeah, it's Cat6, which is obviously LTE, 300 megabytes per second download, 150 megabytes upload, all your standard 4G and 4G plus router style thing. So you have all of that. You've got your range from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz, and that's dual band. So you basically, it's got the same statistics as a lot of these 4G routers, and you can connect up to 64 devices to this. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's actually have a look at the device, I think. So if you open it up, you get your sort of sheets and all your warranty cards, your start guide. We won't go through that in this video. If you want to see that, you can find them online as well if you want to read those guides before you get it. And then we have the device itself that I'll pop to the side just for now. And then you have this little divider. You actually get two external antennas. Now, this is something that you don't get with the B535, but you do get these screw-on antennas here in the box. You get this Ethernet cable. Now, I believe that this is a Cat5 Ethernet cable, but yeah, you get this Ethernet cable in there as well. And you obviously have your 3-pin plug that you use to plug in this router. As this is not a portable router, it is a plug-in home router. So here's the device itself. You can see here it's got that ZTE brand in there, and you've got all these sort of different indicators here. So you've got power, Wi-Fi, phone, 3G/4G, and it says SIG here, but that is the signal there. And you can go up to 5, and you'll see that signal just there. So yeah, that's a bit of the indicators there. Now, they do all have different colors and different meanings based on what it is, but you'll find all that in the instructions, and I won't just go through that in this video, but that's something we'll do in the future, and we can also do a speed test with this in the future. On top of the device, you've got your WPS button and your WLAN port there, so WLAN, and you've got your reset button there as well. It's got this cool sort of grill design as well. Underneath these two little things on the back here, this is where you'll find your antenna ports that you can plug your antennas in that I showed you before that came inside the box. On the bottom of the device, you've got all your information regarding this personal device. So you've got your IMEI, your serial number, and your sort of login there as well, so you can get into this device. And then on the side, you've obviously got your SIM card. So that's actually a standard SIM on the side there. You don't usually see typically in more modern devices, but there is one there. And you can just sort of slip your SIM in there. Obviously, it comes in all sorts of adjustable sizes that you can chuck in there. And my favorite bit about it, you've got your 4 LAN ports there on the back. You've got a USB port, you've got phone port 1 and phone port 2. Obviously, your power there and your switch for on and off. So you've got an absolutely massive amount of ports. Plug in everything you want. You can get rid of your home phone and you can plug it into this VoIP on here. So you can use it all like that. It works great and you have a great amount of ports for the price. As I said, £108.99 at the moment on eFones or Amazon or eBay. You can go ahead and purchase that whenever you want. But yeah, that's a quick overlook of the device there. As I said, it's basically our nearest comparison to the B535. Our biggest question we get all the time is what alternative do you have the B535, because we don't have the B535 in stock, and this is the one we just offer up everyone, and everyone that's had it and taken it, and even people that have had B535s in the past and they just want to get another one because their one's getting old or whatever, or they want to use it in their other house. We offer them this and they're pleasantly surprised. They even outperform some of them sometimes. So yeah, what I would recommend personally, and what we've decided here at Livewire and eFones as our number one recommendation against the B535, is this ZTE MF286R, guys. So if you want to see a speed test, let us know in the description below and we'll be sure to do that. We'll probably do that on our second channel, eFones. That will be linked in the description below if you guys want to subscribe to that and see that there also. As always, thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions at all, let us know in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.